Hi guys, I will now show you how to make a most delicious Bengali dish, Aloo Posto, meaning mashed potatoes with a poppy seeds paste. This is the list of ingredients required. In a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of poppy seeds or posto, add 3 tablespoons of hot water and let it soak for 1 hour. At the end of 1 hour, the water should be fully absorbed. Transfer this to a grinder jar. Grind for 1 minute. Then scrape the sides, add a splash of water and grind further. This way you will get a smooth and creamy paste. The end result should be smooth with a few grainy bits to add to the texture. Take 250 grams potatoes in a pressure cooker. Add enough water and pressure cook for 4 to 5 whistles. Take these boiled and peeled potatoes in a large vessel. Mash them well. Again, leave a few small chunks for that extra texture. Add the poppy seed paste, 1 onion finely chopped, a quarter cup of coriander leaves, 4 to 5 green chillies, 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mix this well. Let it rest for 15 minutes to absorb the flavors better. Serve it with hot rice and enjoy. If you like this video, please like and share it and leave your comment below. For more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Thank you.